Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application where we scroll down to the last option, System and Accessibility. Now we look for our magnification selection, we tap there and we must switch on. Confirm I got it and we have our shortcut magnification. To zoom our screen, we need to tap on it, on our shortcut, and tap on screen. We can also change position of our zoom using two fingers and swiping on the screen. To zoom on, we must do these features. To zoom out in the background. To turn off our magnification, we tap again on our shortcut. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.